What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to do an upgrade to the Dodge Avenger. This upgrade will give the Dodge Avenger a couple of more HP because if I can see you, then I will go faster now to make sure I switch out of the lane on time. So that's how we will gain more HP. I will put my pedal to the metal when I see you now. All right. And I won't run into you. All right, you guys, I'm just kidding. All right, I know I'm a cornball. So we are going to go ahead and put these blind spot mirrors on, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I don't technically know where to put these on, but we are going to try to find a good spot. All right, I'll put a link in the description for y'all as well. Oh, okay, so you can actually move these. So I might put it right here, and then I can move it how I want to move it because it has the it has the 3M sticker on it, but the 3M sticker is bigger than this. Oh, that's if you just want to stick it onto the mirror by itself. No, we don't do that. We want to do it this way. So what we're going to do is take it off here. And I like this because you can do an adjustment to it. And then we're going to put it right there. Did I do that right? Oh, no, I did that wrong. Oh, that sticks onto the mirror. Got it now. Got it. Okay, you guys, I'm slow. So we take this off right here. Then stick this on right here. All right, if you want to stick it on the mirror by itself, you would have just took the whole thing off. All right, and now we're going to place it right here, right on the corner. All right, and then you can actually turn it whatever way you want to turn it. This is so cool, you guys. Honestly, if you put this on your car, your insurance should go down, right? Like, why the world works backwards? Like, when you put something for more safety on your car, your insurance should go down. But y'all know the way politics work. I will gain more speed now because I can see who's on my blind side and know whether to speed up or not to pass in a different lane. So yeah, we just gave our car a major upgrade. So that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.